India is celebrating 79th year of independence. Independence क्या है? आज़ादी. To live the life the way we can in best possible way. यही आज़ादी है ना? Last year I voiced for stricter rules for the safety of women when the working female doctor was raped in her own working hospital itself. क्या ये आज़ादी है एक औरत के लिए? क्या हम औरतें सेफ हैं आज भी इवन इन 79th इंडिपेंडेंस ईयर में? द आंसर इज नहीं. इस साल इट्स अ मेजर इशू ऑफ सेफ्टी ऑफ वॉइसलेस सोल्स, दैट इज सेफ्टी ऑफ स्ट्रे डॉग्स. पिछले साल एक औरत की सेफ्टी के लिए कुछ मेजर चेंजेस नहीं किया गया, तो क्या इस साल बेजुबान स्ट्रे डॉग्स के लिए कुछ होगा? जिस देश में हम औरतें आज भी सेफ फील नहीं करते हैं रात में, क्या इन बेजुबानों के लिए कुछ सही होगा? क्या ये एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? जहां औरतों के सेफ्टी के लिए कुछ नहीं हुआ, क्या स्ट्रे डॉग्स के लिए कुछ होगा? हर साल वी वॉइस अगेंस्ट द सिस्टम ऑन सम पर्टिकुलर मेजर इश्यूज एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम हैज़ द टाइम पासिस बाय सब लोग नॉर्मल लेने लगते हैं. ये कब तक चलेगा? बट no, I will not stop until the changes takes place in India. This year it's a issue about safety of stray dogs, where Supreme Court has ordered for places like Delhi, NCR, Noida to shift these stray dogs to shelters without giving any thought about how this system is already messed up. The system of our capital's country has failed. That's why this is happening. इमेजिन इफ़ इंडिया के कैपिटल में ये फैसला लिया गया है तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील फॉर अदर स्टेट्स टू डू दिस. क्या इंडियन कैपिटल एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रहा है? किस तरीके का एग्जाम्पल सेट कर रहा है? आज इफ़ रतन टाटा सर जिंदा होते तो ये देखते तो क्या ही बोलते? आई वंडर दैट. ही इज़ द पर्सन हु अलाउड द स्ट्रे डॉग्स टू रेस्ट इन हिज ताज होटल premises. I'll tell you one story about a stray dog which happened with me recently, coincidentally at this time of issue. There is this stray dog who was biting the carpet of my neighbor. I saw this from my window and I whistled to the stray dog and I said, "No, no." The stray dog responded and stopped it immediately. Later in the evening, when I stepped out of the house, I don't know from where the same dog came and started to lick my leg by wagging its tail in happiness. It started to jump on me with happiness, and I was so surprised that it remembered me from far. This is how lovely stray dogs are if you treat them with love. They just expect love from you in return. And let me tell you, I didn't even give food to this stray dog before to be so happy around me. It was our first meet. भले ही मुझे कोई प्रोटेक्ट करे या ना करे रात में, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रे डॉग्स हु knows me does protects me somehow by their mere existence, because this is how the stray dogs they play the role in our country like India. Dogs protects us, especially women, without any expectation, where a law of my country doesn't protect me all the time in India. I'm sharing this story because I'm a dog lover and I want them to be around me because they are angel for women in one way. And मैं बचपन से ही I'm protecting, nurturing and feeding dogs. Let that dog be any. बचपन में मैं किसी भी पपी को घर ले आती थी whenever I used to find these puppies on the streets. I didn't used to think what kind of puppies they were. मेरे मम्मी पापा बड़े हैरान हो जाते थे एंड दे यूज्ड टू टेल मी टू ओपन शेल्टर होम्स फॉर दिस स्ट्रे डॉग्स ऑफ माई ओन. बट अगर सिस्टम के पहले से ही ऑफिशियल शेल्टर होम्स होते और फॉर दिस स्ट्रे डॉग्स तो आज ये नौबत नहीं आती. This is how our system is already messed up, and by passing unrealistic stupid laws without having proper prior good system for these stray dogs, and passing these kind of unrealistic stupid laws is mere stupidity. यार पहले कोर प्रॉब्लम तो ठीक करके लो, like sterilization, like giving vaccination to these dogs, even though these all things exist, but it's not done from time to time. So the system didn't do it properly first, and now suddenly passing these laws is mere stupidity. Sterilization should take place by having a proper system, which should be again looked after by these lawmakers itself, not by relying on any government. India needs to have a proper law based home shelter system for these stray dogs. Law system should particularly make sure कि the budget reaches to shelter homes by the law system itself without dumping this on government. Doctors say it because of unhygiene streets of India, where in these unhygiene streets, the stray dogs eats these kind of foods. Because of stray dogs eating this kind of food, so many diseases doesn't reach to our homes, and because of these stray dogs, these diseases are prevented. So laws ऐसे बनाओ पहले कि there should be clean street instead of passing the unrealistic laws for stray dogs. Please don't dump our messed up system problems on these stray dogs. Just because these stray dogs are voiceless doesn't mean कि we have the power to harm them